Good morning, classmates and teacher. My name is Cristian Felipe Piedradita, and I am English student, course 518. Today I'm going to talk about a recent invention that will change the architecture and space conquest: glass three-dimensional printing. Glass three-dimensional printing was created by IMT's Neri Oxman in 2015 in a collaborated research by IMT and Harvard University expands the potential of printing glass manufacturing in architectural design and building systems. A variety of shapes, profiles, and colors can be printed by the machine. Moreover, of different optical properties and degrees of opacity. Also, gas, cold and hot air, and water can be flowed across the primed glass. They hope that make improvement to all of the machine's automation, start, stop, and cut of the glass filament. When those happen, this technology could be used to conquer other worlds. They build robots with this technology integrated, and they send to other possible habitable planets. And these machines build an environment done. Biofuels, microorganisms, and electricity can be created by sun rays through glass domes. Then, finally, the Space Scouts could arrive at the safe site made by the machines. No doubt, this technology will bring many architectural advances and will carry the human gene throughout the universe. Thank you for your attention.